What's up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and I've got to talk about one of the recent rides that I went on. So I recently went on a ride with a good friend of mine, Moto Photo Guy, which you've seen him in several other videos if you do follow the channel. But we went on a ride, I don't know, it's been a couple weeks ago I think at this point, but it was a great ride. It was fun, but man, did we get flat out stormed on. Now I know a lot of you that ride have ridden in the rain before, but it was just so crazy how everything was nice and hot, beautiful day, and then all of a sudden, I mean, the temperature drops to like 58 degrees, the wind's blowing like crazy, it's raining hard, can hardly see anything, and it's just crazy how the weather changes so quickly. You guys got to check this out. Here's the video.
Oh my God! Oh yeah. Had to close my charge port. Yeah, we're getting it now, buddy. God, that shit hurts.
Standing water up there, be careful.
Oh, I'm riding in the middle. I can hear the rain hitting your helmet through your mic.
Yeah. The wind's picking up too.
Shit, now I'm cold. Do what?
You still with me?
Yeah, I see you. It's hard to see anything, honestly. I can't see.
I can't even open my visor.
I got mine down and I can't see. I think it's
I don't see
fogging.
any grips work in the rain. Do they warm up your hands?
Oh, I didn't even think about that. I'm gonna try it and see.
Yeah, me too. Boy, it's 60 degrees.
I'm cold right now, but I ain't even lying.
I'm not cold, but I want my hands to be dry. I know the heater ain't gonna draw them off, but at least warm them up some, you know?
Yeah, I feel mine coming on. Oh, this is that one place we stop at sometimes, isn't it?
Yep. Can you get in?
Yeah, I'm in. This right here is fine. I ain't gonna try to park it all fancy. Fucking hell, dude. We got it today. Oh God, I'm cold.
So that was the video, and I know a lot of you have ridden in the rain before, but like I said earlier, it was just so crazy how the day turned from amazing, hot, nice day to just flat out crappy. Now, we were on the Blueridge Parkway at the time, so that had a lot to do with the temperature anyway, because we were way higher up. But we got wet enough to where I was actually cold. I think I said in the video that I was cold, and I don't mind riding in the rain. Like, if I leave the house and go out and it starts raining, you know, it's fine. But if I end up being cold because of it, I can't stand to ride and be cold. Now, I do ride in the cold, but I wear the gear that's appropriate to be warm. But that day, I just had on mesh gear because it was so hot. Now, whenever we left from up there and got back down towards where we live, it went all the way up to like 84 degrees. So I was pretty much dry by the time I got home. But it's just crazy how everything changed so quickly. But anyway, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.